Good morning, dear children. Welcome you all to our online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So let's memorize what all things we have discussed in our previous class. We have learned about an electric circuit. And we have also learned that bulb glows only when current flows through it. I hope all of you have copied the notes in your notebook and studied the notes. Today we will discuss about fused bulb. You might have often heard sometimes in your house when you switch on the bulb does not glow. And when your parents check the bulb, they used to say the bulb is fused and we need to change the bulb. So what is that? It is known as a fused bulb. So let us understand in detail. Sometimes what happens, an electric bulb does not glow even if it is connected to the cell, as you can see in the picture. This happens when the filament of the bulb breaks. You can see here. When the filament of the bulb breaks, what happens? The circuit is broken. Basically, when the current flows through the circuit, the current actually flows through this filament, because of which filament gets heated and it produces light. But now the path is broken and therefore there will be no heating of the filament and therefore there will be no light production. So the bulb will not glow. And this type of a bulb is said to be fused bulb. So when the bulb is fused, the filament is actually broken. Now we know how to make a bulb light up using an electric cell. Would you like to make a torch? For that, take a torch bulb and a piece of wire. Remove the plastic covering at the two ends of the wire. Wrap one end of a wire around the base of an electric bulb. Fix the other end of the wire to the negative terminal of an electric cell with a rubber band. Now bring the tip of the base of the bulb, that is its other terminal, in contact with the positive terminal of the cell. Does the bulb glow? Yes, the bulb starts glowing. Now move the bulb away from the terminal of the electric cell. Does the bulb remain lighted? No. So this is how a homemade torch is made. Is this not similar to what you do when you switch your torch on or off? Dear children, I have an important thing convey to you. You have to do an art integrated project. As part of our subject, science, you have to make a picture album of 5 scientific institutions of Himachal Pradesh by mentioning its one contribution to science. You have to send the project on or before 28th of December by 2 p.m. to the review test mail ID. You will get further details regarding this project in the coming session. That's all for today. Children, I have attached your video and notes to the classroom, and there will be a test paper. So all of you please attend the test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.